immediately because yeah, why not? Turn right there. Okay, so you can see I only made 124 bucks. That's because I took $100 loss um before this. So I thought this inverse looked incredibly solid. So I just figured I'd take this, recover my losses, not get too greedy. I think I risked like $250 on here. And usually I risk more because it's an evaluation. Um, but what I saw here was a 15-minute Ferrari gap that we just tapped here, leaving some lows untouched inside of this. And so when we came up here and we started, ES started hesitating at these highs, and we also have SMT. So once we inverse this, I was like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna take it down to these lows. I took a partial right here. I entered three micros, took partial right here because that erased my loss. So I was at break even, and then I left a runner for these, um, which now have been hit. So right now we don't really need to um, go down lower if we are to push higher here. However, I don't like the ES just leaves these lows here, but alright, my the trade is taken. Um, the loss I took. Let's see here. We had this. Actually, I'm gonna remove this, this, and this. We had this 5 minute here that we rejected from. So I tried to take a short right here down to these lows. I wanted these lows either way. I thought these lows were very weak. So what I did was on the 15 second, what did I see? It held and we got the CISD right here. Um, I took it off the candle that made the CISD, which was this one. Originally, I had my stops at the high, targeted these lows. But when we pushed down here, I trailed my stop to like somewhere like this. Um, why I should have looked more into this trade. It was pretty forced. So that was not that good. We actually had these 1 minute here that actually pushed price higher here. That's why I got ended up getting stopped out. The first time, I only lost $100 here though. Um, and made that back plus 124. Um, yeah, I'm pretty happy about this. The reason why I started taking trades here was because I was at school. I didn't have time. I think we have now hit the point 0.5, so price could start reversing from here. However, I think I'm done for the day, at least for the AM session. I don't like trading usually at 11 since it's sort of a lunch hour. I think we left equal lows here on ES. Um, yeah, that's That's today though. We're currently up on this evaluation, I think 2%. 2% on the eval. I'm looking to pass this next week. Tomorrow is, I think, if we go here, is it NFP? Non-farm. I think it's NFP. Um, and Powell is speaking. So I'm not really a fan of that. We are going to take tomorrow off. Maybe I'll probably still be at the charts watching, but I probably won't take anything. Wow, what happened here? God damn. I mean, the CISD here is pretty high confidence. However, I wouldn't get it. But I think I'm going to get off. I don't want to do anything stupid here. I don't want to be rushed into a buy or anything, but we're getting bought up. I don't know what news dropped or what is happening right here. But we just souped this low and then now we're booming here. Wow, we are buying like crazy. Huge momentum candle. Huge momentum candle. Uh, yeah, that's it for today. And yeah, like this. If you're gonna take a Ferrari gap, what I've realized is when price just pokes it like this, it's not very high probable. So if you looked at this CISD right here on the 1 minute, you took it at the CISD, you tried to ride it up to these highs. If you look on the 1 minute, we actually left this low here, equal lows. So that's one to look out for. So this was pretty obvious to me that we're gonna dig lower once we saw this S&T. I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm done for the day. Don't want to take any unnecessary losses now that we actually recovered and made some money. So yeah, that's